Today I'm going to show you how to install a flexible duct for an electric dryer. There is not a lot of room in here, but I'm just going to squeeze through here. This one comes with the clamps, and I don't want to stretch this all the way because it makes it very hard to stretch back. So I'm going to start right down here, and I'm not just going to throw that on there and clamp it. That's how you get holes in the duct right away. See how easy that rips? So I'm going to spread that out, and I've got oil tape, heat rated. Now I'm not going to get a lot, but I want to get enough to go around 2 rings at least. Just like that. Maybe one more piece. To make it nice and strong. Just like that. Make this connection nice and strong and sturdy. No holes. No heat loss, like I see on 99% of these that are installed. I'm going to grab one of my rings, slide this over first. That will make the ring a little harder to go over. It's the only bad part. Now we can push this on. Just like that. Grab our ring and just twist it on until it catches. And that's how we're looking. No holes in the duct. And it's on there tighter than if I didn't put the tape on there. This is actually going to be the tricky one. I'm going to push this as close as I can. Because luckily I'm still young enough and fit enough to hop out of here if needed. Same thing with this one. I'm going to try not to get any of the tape on the inside because it makes it a little harder to go over. Get this ring on, just like the other one. And then slide it over. Man, I got the clamp on. And you want that clamp under one of these rings, or else it doesn't really do anything. And that's the max stretch that I got out of this. Got my plug in. Now time to hop out of here. And push this back without kinking it, which is the challenging part. It's gonna bend a little bit, but if we can minimize those bends, then we're good. Till it touches the wall. And I'm gonna go ahead and start it. Just check to see if I feel any humidity or any air blowing, and I do not. We are good to go. Dryer vent for this application, I'm aware of that, but I'm also apartment maintenance, and this is what they give us to work with. They're not going to spend, $50 on a dryer vent kit, unfortunately. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. That's how I hook up these types of dryer vents in this situation only. not how I do it at my house, but let me know how you do it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. My name's Dave. See you on the next one.